Welcome to LedgerShift AI. For decades, the career advice was simple. Get a degree, find a desk, and avoid the trades. But today, AI is rewriting that story. While desk jobs face automation, the physical world is undergoing a high-tech renaissance. The very infrastructure of AI, data centers, and smart grids all depend entirely on the expertise of electricians and plumbers. Demand for these roles is expanding at 3 times the rate of traditional office positions. The trades were once called automation-proof. Now, they're becoming some of the biggest beneficiaries of the digital revolution. AI isn't here to replace the craft. It's here to remove the friction that slows progress and growth. Consider the administrative tax. Most of the time, field technicians often spend 30% of their day on non-billable paperwork. Vertical AI solutions are eliminating this bottleneck, reclaiming time for high-value, billable work that drives revenue. In estimating and bidding, AI can now interpret complex architectural plans with incredible speed and precision. By automating 80% of the manual takeoff process, estimators can save hours on every project while improving speed and accuracy. Smart scheduling algorithms analyze thousands of variables in real time to assign the right technician to the right job efficiently. It ensures a senior expert isn't wasted on a simple task while a junior tech struggles with a complex repair. AI-driven routing reduces travel time and fuel costs, making operations leaner, faster, and more efficient. One of the most powerful shifts is the transition from a reactive break-fix model to proactive predictive maintenance. Sensors monitor equipment health in real time by catching issues before they cause costly downtime. AI-powered wearables are also revolutionizing safety on the job site through real-time monitoring and proactive alerts. Devices monitor worker biometrics and environmental risks like toxic gases or extreme heat to detect danger before it escalates. Computer vision systems can detect missing safety gear in real time, triggering instant alerts before incidents occur. Then there's the Hybrid Artisan that is using AI to seamlessly blend traditional craftsmanship with digital design. For specialized crafts, AI helps preserve cultural heritage while significantly increasing productivity and output. These digital tools act as a powerful extension of the artisan's hand by enhancing, not replacing their mastery. The technology enables rapid prototyping and experimentation with new materials, accelerating innovation and design. Education is evolving to meet this moment, with vocational schools integrating AI literacy within their core curriculums. Simulated environments enable learners to safely practice complex repairs in a controlled setting before working on real equipment. Adaptive learning paths dynamically adjust to a student's mastery, helping them upskill faster and with greater precision. Gen Z is taking notice that trade school enrollment is surging as young people seek stable, future-proof careers. They are drawn by the stability, strong pay, and the tangible, meaningful impact of hands-on physical work. AI smart glasses are becoming a standard tool for field teams, enabling hands-free, real-time data capture. These glasses transcribe what's seen and said into structured data, instantly syncing updates back to the office in real time. It seamlessly bridges the gap by creating a connection between the field and the back office in a way that feels natural, not forced. But implementation isn't without hurdles. Data privacy risks and the shortage of skilled staff remain significant concerns. Many organizations struggle to clearly understand how to use these new tools effectively in real-world scenarios. The key is to start with the problem, then use AI as a targeted solution to solve a core business challenge. For the electrician, the mechanic, and the contractor, AI is a powerful force multiplier that amplifies human judgment. The skilled trades industry will always need the human touch for heavy lifting and the precise, detail-oriented craftsmanship only humans can deliver. We are building a world where the carpenter and the coder are now navigating in the same digital landscape. The future of work belongs to those who can seamlessly blend practical expertise with technological fluency. Welcome to the renaissance of the skilled trades. This is LedgerShift AI, the place where human expertise meets intelligent systems. Please help us grow this channel. Like and subscribe to LedgerShift AI. Thanks for watching.